I'm going to discuss about how to use DAX rank function in Power BI. So this is here Power BI, and first getting the data. So clicking on get data from another source. You can use Excel SQL Server. Okay, after that taking here selecting CSV and using EMP file. So MPF file is now importing inside the Power BI. So the next here this is importing. Now the next is let's go on this data, and now this is data is loading here. Click on new columns, and this place give the meaningful name. So writing here rank data, and thereafter let's use here rank function rank x, and thereafter this place you need to specify the table name. So using EMP, and you can apply the rank. So first is you need to specify the table name. Next you need to use here, so you can use any table. So let's use here cell, and after that press enter. So now after pressing enter, here you can see this is created rank. So this is going to make on the ascending order. So now you can see highest salary 5,000 is the highest salary on this table, and this has rank 1. Second is now 3,000 is the highest salary, so this is rank 2. So 3,000 is twice times, so that it's created here rank 2 to only. After that that skip here or 3, then or 2975 is the third highest salary, so this created here rank 4, and here 28505. So then after 2 or 1250, that's or 10th highest salary, 10th created rank, and 1250 that's created the rank here 10. And here that skip 1 because 10 after 11 it's 2 times, that's count 11 that skip. Okay, so like this you can create the rank on any tables. So I'm going to use this times EMP number. After selecting EMP, press enter. So now our rank created on the EMP number. So this all are unique, so that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or this all there. But here if I select here rank on the DPT number, so DPT number that's or duplicate here 10, or you can see multiple times. So when I press here, this is now 30. So 30 it's here, or this times, or 6 times is there, so 1 that's come there. After that here after 6 there is a 7, so 20 is now or this here, or 4 times I think, 2 to 5 times, so that's here. After that 8 and 3 here, or this is now or 3 times, so this is now 12 rank created. Okay, so you can create, this is the way we can create the rank on any or tables there. Okay, so you can use here rankx function. After that this place you need to give specify your table name, then after there you need to specify the column names. So with the help of this rank function, okay, we can easily analyze first, second, third highest salary. So if I press enter, here you can see first highest salary is now 5,000, second highest salary is now 2 rank is there, then this is here, or second highest salary 3,000. Like this here we can use descending order. So with the help of descending order we can easily analyze. Lowest salary is now 14th position, lowest salary is now 800, and 13th position 950 is the second lowest. So rank ranks we can analyze highest and lowest salaries there. So this is how we can use the rank function on Power BI. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.